Look at my hair, first of all. I'm gonna look trash today. Today's trash day. Hey, what's up you guys, Newt here. And in today's video, I'll be telling you if you are starting YouTube, if you're a beginner, if you need some tips, you could come to this video because this is the perfect video for you. I think I just spit, I just seen something. In today's video, I'll be telling you guys what not to do in YouTube videos. And some of these are what you could do in YouTube videos. I'll tell them. I'll see if you could do it or if you can't do it. So just stay tuned. I got a book here and I wrote down a lot of things that get on my nerves. I don't know if it gets on your nerves, but it gets on mine. What I am going to do is tell you if you should do them or if you shouldn't do them. Some of these are actually tips that you could do when you're starting your channel or tips that you shouldn't do when you're making your first YouTube video. My first YouTube video was cringy. I was just sitting down at my window just telling you guys what I'm gonna do, and it's just cringy to me. Like, no, it's a big X, no. Number one, the sigh. So we all have moments where we get really tired in our YouTube videos, and there's this time that we just want to give up and just turn off our cameras and just lay down and just have a lazy day. Well, guess what, sisters and brothers and grandmas and grandpas and aunties and everybody watching this video? Okay, we all gotta work. It's life. Like, we can't be lazy, we gotta work, we gotta keep our rooms clean, and we gotta keep our lives in. What you should not do is sigh too much in your video, because we'll think you're being super tired. You, to your audience, you're just saying that you're tired, and you're just like, hey, what's up you guys? I have a video for you guys today, and it's going to be a big video. It's good if you're going to sigh in a sad video or a very emotional video like I did. So rule number one, do not sigh occasionally. Only sigh on sad videos, or sigh when you are tired of talking really fast. I have talked way too much in this video. Number two, the Now sometimes you will forget what to say and you will occasionally say so you could just fill into what you're going to say, and you could like get those other words out before you're going to say. So what you shouldn't do is say It's best if you script your videos like I did right here. I have all my stuff listed down in my little book, and I always write it down when I'm in school, so I'll always have a video guys for you guys for the weekend. But what you should not do is say What you need to do is know what you're going to say at all times when recording, so we'll know what you're talking about. I'm not saying that if you say oh, you don't know what you're talking about. All I'm going to say for this one isn't big X. You should not say way too much in your videos, because your subscribers will think that you're not going to know what you're going to say. If you want to film like something like really professional, my videos are professional. I'm filming with my dang phone here. See, I would film with my camera, but I don't got a computer that would work. So I'd say you know what you're saying and possibly script out your videos like I do. I script out all of my skits actually. Scripted right here, listed everything that I wrote down so I would not forget it because I have a bad memory. Number two is a big X. Don't say a lot. Number three, constantly looking away. Now, there's a lot of YouTubers who constantly look away, and you want to know, like, why are you constantly looking away? Now, it's okay if you have distractions in your bedroom, but I have a lot of distractions, and I'm just saying, this gets on my nerves when I myself constantly look away. I looked in a lot of my other videos. I kept looking away a lot. I don't know which video it was, but I was looking away a lot, and it got on my nerves, and I'm like, you know what? I'll write this down. They need to know this, because I bet you guys were like, what is he looking at? See, I want to look at my hats that are hanging on the wall right over there, but I'm just not. I'm focused on you guys. I want to talk to you guys. I don't want to talk to my hats. I want to talk to y'all. Talk to your subscribers. You don't want to look in your viewfinder and talk to yourself, because I know you're good looking and all of that, but you want to look to your good looking subscribers. Okay, squad? Yeah, I shouldn't say that. That's a 2017 thing. Hello, I'm Aaron, and I'm almost turning 18. Number four, stuttering. Now, this goes out to the people who do stutter. If you have a problem with stuttering, it's okay. You can skip to the next one. I stuttered a lot. I want to tell you guys, it got on my nerves. I'm like, why am I stuttering in these videos? This is why they don't have a lot of views. So, it got on my nerves. I stuttered way too much, and I want to complete that. I want to finish that. I want to take that away from my agenda. If you want to make a professional video, know what you're going to say. And if you do have problems with stuttering, it's okay. Express yourself. It's you. You're expressing yourself. You're just talking. You're telling people who you really are. Number 5, sounding boring. Now, if you want to make a good video, a professional video, you gotta not sound boring. You gotta talk with excitement. You gotta talk like you're happy on the inside, but you know you're not, because you know you got a dang one, want to kill yourself on the inside. But you know you don't want to do that. We don't do that. We have positivity on this channel. We have excitement on this channel. We spread positive vibes only on this channel. You do not want to talk like, hey guys, it's me, and today I want to tell you guys what I ate for breakfast. You know what I mean? Like, if you watch your old videos, you're like, dang, I sound boring. Just like this video I made here.
I am starting my first YouTube video off.
I sounded really boring in that video. All I want to say is, do not sound like this. Don't sound like him. Don't sound like possibly the 16-year-old me. Don't sound like 16-year-old Newt. Do not sound like him. Sound like this. This. Oh my god, why did I do that? You just let all your subscribers down. You're looking away. What are you looking at? What is distracting you? I had a little mental breakdown because I said, do not sound like this dude. Sound like this dude. Number 6, not looking into the camera. Now this one goes to number 3, constantly looking away. A lot of people look away a lot, and they don't look into the camera. If you don't look into your camera, you're not talking to your subscribers. You're talking to the wall. You're talking to that. You're talking to the broken thing that's right there. You see that? That right there, you're talking to that. You're talking to the vacuum that's right there. Hi, this is my bedroom. It's really junky. Yeah, you want to look into the camera and talk to your subscribers. You want to look at your subscribers in the face. Say, yo, what's up? I'm Newt, so subscribe. All of you. All thousands of you that are possibly watching this video. Number 7, distractions. Now, I've said this one about constantly looking away and stuff and things that are distracting you. See, I'm starting to repeat the same stuff now. Do not get distracted, because you want to see, okay, distractions. Distractions is a no-no. You want to film in a good area with good lighting. This isn't a good area, but it has good lighting, so I'm like, okay, I'll film right here. So you want to film somewhere where there's no distractions, a good environment, so you know, good environment. I'd film right here, but half of my face would be dark, and the other side flashing, you know what I was gonna say. Number 8, a noisy area. Now this area isn't so quiet because my grandparents are talking back there, and I do not know if you can hear them, but let's just talk over them so you won't be able to hear them. So you do not want to film in a noisy environment because it's bad, okay? You don't want to film anywhere where there's loud noises, dogs barking, dogs with their little jingle bells. Tutu, shut up! You don't want to film anywhere with noisy environments, because that's bad. And our subscribers will be like, what's that noise in the background? Like, we want to know what that is. It's noise. It's noise. And I don't know why that noise is here, but I don't have anywhere else to film. Oh, you don't have anywhere else to film? Go outside. Film the beautiful days outside. Go vlog outside somewhere. If you can't film an inside video, go outside and vlog. Go to the beach. We can hear that wind rushing through your mic. We don't care. As long as you're outside, doing outside stuff. It's as long as you're doing outside stuff and not inside your house where your mom's vacuuming, singing to her jams. Mom. It's best to film in a nice quiet area, and if you don't have a quiet area, film outside and do outside stuff and vlog. Number 9, the swearing. Now YouTube is strict about swearing because there are a lot of kids on YouTube now. They're probably like 2. They're probably just being pushed out of the thing and they're watching YouTube. They're like, oh my gosh, it's a boy and he's watching YouTube. Had a mojo. Okay girl, I see you. Luke Bryan, I see you. That's a country singer. Dang it, you gotta pay attention. So yeah, what you want to do is do not swear, because when you're watching videos, those little newborn babies that are watching YouTube right now, babies that were born 2 seconds ago, they're watching YouTube right now, they're watching this video, and they're making sure I don't swear, so they don't pick up to those words. Because my cousin Anthony, you see him. This kid right here, him, this little brat, this little demon. Yeah, if you're watching Miss Anthony, I love you. Yeah, he swears a lot, and sometimes I forget to blurt it out. This demon swears way too much. So what you want to do is do not swear, because like sometimes he's in my video cursing and I don't ever even know it. And after I post the video, I hear him swearing and I'm like, oh my gosh, why didn't I blurt that out? And now it's possibly I'm gonna get in trouble now. And like, I don't know. Don't swear, okay? Because it's bad, okay? Yeah, swearing is bad. Do not swear. If you do swear in your videos, always like, okay, when you're editing your videos, there's always, you know, like Santa Claus is like making the list, checking it twice. He's going to find out if you're naughty or not. Just always say that in your head when you're editing. Because when you're editing, recheck your video. Make sure there are no swears, no cuts, no butts, no coconuts. You're going to blurt that crap out if you swear. You're going to blurt it out. Blurt and boom. You second checked it. You made all your errors that you forgot to put in. And boom, your video's up to post. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you. Number 10. I am ultimately not doing number 10 right now because it's more lighting right here. Having a good background. Always have a good background and a good display or like some good stuff in your background. Right now, I do not have any of that. I'm just filming in my bedroom because it's the perfect time to record and the sun's out. It's shining on my beautiful face. Our beautiful faces. All of ours. And it stopped raining and I'm glad. Now I'm going to probably go to the beach later and just hang out. I do not know. I'm gonna probably go drink later. I'm gonna get wasted. I do not know. Hi, my name is Aaron. So always have a good background. Always have some beautiful lights in your background. Like, I would film right here. Let me show you. Just found a good place to record. Oh my gosh. She like, have a good background like this. Have some pretty stuff in your background. All of my hat collections. You see Sarah back there. Hey, Sarah girl.
Hey.
You see Anthony's drawings. You see my other cousin's drawing. Freaking Dodger player. Have pretty stuff. Oh, lights. Lights in your background. My medals. Danger. Beware of zombies. Stuff like that. Always have good background. But make sure the lighting's good. See, the lighting's kind of dim on this side, so I do not like it. But I kind of like the background, so I will just end the video right here. If you are new, seeing me, seeing my existence, click that subscribe button below. Subscribe. And don't forget to click that bell icon so you can be notified anytime when I post. And don't forget to comment down below and suggest a video that I should do in the future so you can get a shout out for that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.